How to fix Instagram notification sound on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First open settings and then type here apps. Now click on it and then click Instagram, and here we'll find force stop. Click on it and then go to notifications, and as you see here you can manage notifications, and if you want to change or to fix notification sound, just to go to comments or anything like that. Just I select comments and then here we'll find notification sound. Click on it and here you can change it, or you can just make it silent, and that's it. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.